my name is Tumi. I'm a current fourth year pharmacy student at the Manchester University College of Pharmacy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of basic techniques that we use when compounding medications in either the pharmacy or even in lab. If you guys don't know, compounding is the creation of a unique medication to meet the specific needs of a patient. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys that many ingredients go into compounding a medication, and they are separated in two separate categories: active ingredients and inactive ingredients. Active ingredients are considered the drug of the compound, and they can have a therapeutic or chemical effect on our bodies. Inactive ingredients do not have an effect on our bodies, but they can bring color, flavor, and in some compounds, inactive ingredients can act as the binder or the glue to help the medication keep its form. For my first demonstration, I'm going to be making a cookies and cream pudding, and that's going to be equivalent to making a suspension in the pharmacy. Now, a suspension is another word for a liquid solution with small solid particles dispersed in it. Some suspensions that you may be familiar with are liquid fever medications and orange juice with pulp. For my second demonstration, I'm going to be making slime, and that's going to mimic the pharmaceutical compound of a medication in gel form. Most of the items and ingredients that I'll be using in this video you may already have on hand or can find them at your local convenience stores. I got most of my items from Dollar Tree or even Walmart. Alright, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to be making a cookies and cream pudding that is going to be mimicking the creation of a suspension in the pharmacy. Suspensions are commonly compounded because not everyone can swallow a tablet very easily, such as babies and older patients, because they run the risk of choking. So that's where we come in. As a pharmacist or a pharmacy intern, you can turn a solid medication into a liquid form or any other form to make it more comfortable for our patients to take their medications. For the cookies and cream pudding suspension, the items you'll need are pudding. This will act as our inactive ingredient. Oreo cookies, which will act as our solid active ingredient. A bowl, a whisk or spoon, whatever you have. And this next item you may not have on hand. This is called a pestle. Mortar and pestles are commonly used in the pharmacy to crush various ingredients. So for the purposes of this video and to be as similar to compounding as possible, I will be using the pestle, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand because the only purpose of this item is to crush the cookies. First, I'm going to add the cookies to the bowl and take the pestle and begin crushing the cookies. This step mimics the trituration technique used when compounding. Trituration is a fancy word for reducing particle size. So after about 1 to 2 minutes of trituration, you should have a fine cookie crumble like this. Next, we're going to add our inactive ingredient, the vanilla pudding. Now we're going to thoroughly mix until it becomes one single product. So as everything's evenly mixed, in the pharmacy world, this would be considered a very thick suspension, and it would be ready to be bottled up and sent to the pharmacist for verification. But for now, you have yummy cookies and cream pudding. For the second demonstration, I'm going to be making slime by using the geometric dilution technique. For those that don't know, geometric dilution is a mixing technique used to incorporate two unequally sized ingredients. You'll need a bowl, a spoon, and measuring spoons. Glue, which is an inactive ingredient that will act as the binder. Laundry detergent, this will act as our inactive ingredient to add color. And you'll need glitter, and this will act as our active ingredient. In order to practice the technique of geometric dilution, you'll need 2 different colors of glitter. I'll be using a total of 1/4 teaspoon of silver glitter and 3/4 teaspoon of green glitter. But for now, I will add the smallest amount of glitter first, which is the 1/4 teaspoon of silver glitter. And then I will add an equal amount of green glitter and mix thoroughly. Once everything's mixed like this, I will then add the remaining amount of green glitter, which is 1/2 teaspoon of green glitter, and mix thoroughly. So geometric dilution ensures an even distribution of ingredients. So as you can see, the green and silver glitter are evenly mixed. Next, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of our first inactive ingredient, the laundry detergent, and then we're going to mix thoroughly. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 of the clear school glue bottle. This process is pretty similar to making a medication into gel form in the pharmacy. After about 2 to 3 minutes of mixing, you should have a product that looks like this. So now that you guys know what geometric dilution and trituration both are, maybe next time you guys can recognize when either you or someone around you is doing it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.